Hello students, I am Akash Sarve, working as an assistant professor in civil department, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune. So today we are going to discuss about the planning of residential building. So first of all, what is residential building? Residential building is the one which is used for wholly or partly for a considerable time or permanently for human habitation. So for example, hostels, hotels, motels, lodges, etc. For planning of residential building, it is essential for the planner to consider the shape, size and location of the plot, resources available, that means funds available, materials available, then meteorological conditions of that area. These are the considerations which are considered while planning of the residential building. Now, next is these residential buildings are classified as per their functional requirements. So, first one is detached house, second one is semi-detached house, third one is duplexes, then apartments, then row houses, then terrace houses, then flats, etc. Let us look into the details. Detached house is called as, detached house means what? When single house is there, when no other structure is connected to that house is called as detached house. That means all walls of that structure is free, which is not connected by other structure. That is called as detached house. Then semi-detached house. Semi-detached house are the structure of which one wall is connected to the other building and the rest three are the open or free. That is called as semi-detached house. Then duplex type structure. This is a type of semi-detached or detached structure. But in duplex type structure, on ground floor, your kitchen, then dining and drawing halls are provided, and at first floor, your bedrooms are provided. That is called as duplex type structure. Then apartment types houses. So in this type of building, common services are provided like WC, bath, staircase, lifts and passages, etc. So for example, some hostels, dormitories, these are the examples of the apartment houses. Then row houses. Row houses are the constructions of the detached house. When you construct detached house in a row, that is called as row houses. But in row houses, one common wall will be there in between two buildings, two structures. That is called as row houses. For example, staff quarters of public sectors. That is called as, these are the best examples of the row houses. Then terrace houses. So terrace houses is also row houses, but one single staircase, one common staircase is provided in between the terrace houses. But terrace houses are the multi-storied or double stories. The next one is flats. Flat system. In flat system, number of families are live together in their independent flats. That is called as ownership flats. So in this type of structures, builders provides the shopping centers, parks, gardens, swimming pools for the services. So this is all about the basics of planning of residential building. So in next lecture, next video, we'll discuss about the drawing and planning and designing of residential buildings. So, thank you.